Screwdriver. Screwdriver. To tighten the screw on the cabinet door, you will need a screwdriver. Screwdriver. This is a screwdriver too. Screwdriver. Hex key. I used a small hex key to assemble the new bookshelf. This is a screwdriver too. Tape measure. Tape measure. Always use a tape measure to ensure your measurements are accurate before you cut the wood. Scissors. There are different kinds of scissors. The gardener used a pair of scissors to trim the thick branches. A shear is a cutting tool similar to a large pair of scissors. File. File is used to smooth or shape a hard material. After cutting the metal, he used a file to smooth the edges. Pliers. Pliers. Pliers are used for gripping and bending things. I used the pliers to hold the small nut in place while my friend tightened the bolt. Pliers. Wrench. Wrench. Wrench is a tool with a shaped opening at the end for gripping and turning bolts and nuts. If you need to loosen a rusty bolt, you need a big wrench. 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 Hammer. Hammer. Hammer is a tool with a heavy metal head on the end of a handle. Before hanging the picture, I need to find a hammer and some nails. Hammer. Trowel. Trowel. I used a trowel to apply cement to the bricks. Trowel. Putty knife. Putty knife. Putty knife is a tool with a wide, flat blade. It is used for scraping surfaces or spreading materials. Putty knife. I used a putty knife to apply the wood filler before sanding the door frame. Sledgehammer. Sledgehammer. Sledgehammer is a large, heavy hammer with a long handle. I had to use a sledgehammer to break through the concrete wall. Sledgehammer. Drill. Drill is a power tool. It has a rotating bit used to make holes in various materials. Drill. I used an electric drill to install the curtain rod. Organizer box. Organizer box is a container. It is used to sort and store small items. I keep my screws and nails in my organizer box. Screw. Screw. Screw is a small metal fastener. It is used to join materials together. Plastic anchor. Plastic anchor. It is used to attach a screw to a soft or brittle material like drywall. Coat hook. Coat hook. Coat hook is a hook, usually attached to a wall. It is used for hanging coats or bags. Door handle. Door handle is a device on a door. It is used to open or close it. This vocabulary is the easiest one so far, right? Caster. Caster is a small wheel. Caster. It is attached to the bottom of furniture to allow it to be moved easily. Cabinet handle. It is a knob or pull on a cabinet or drawer used to open it. Cabinet handle. The new cabinet handles completely change the look of the kitchen. Door lock. Door lock. It is a device that prevents something such as a door from being opened. Door lock. Padlock. Padlock. It is a portable lock with a U-shaped shackle. Padlock. Safe. Safe is a strong box with a lock. Safe. It is used for storing money or valuables. Safe. Step stool. It is a small and portable ladder. Step stool. It has 2 or 3 steps. Step stool. Shelf. This is a shelf. Shelf. Bucket. Bucket is an open container with a handle. Bucket. It is used for carrying liquids. I filled a bucket with water to wash my car. Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow is a large cart. It has only one wheel. Wheelbarrow. Paint roller. Paint roller is a tool with a cylindrical roller. It is used for painting flat surfaces quickly. Paint roller. Using a paint roller is much faster than using a brush for painting the walls. Carpet. This is a carpet. 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 Outdoor seating. It is designed for use outside. Outdoor seating. Hand trowel. It is a small gardening tool. Hand trowel. It is used for digging and planting. Rake. It is used for gathering leaves or smoothing soil. Rake. Rake. Shovel. It is a tool with a broad blade. Shovel. It is used for digging. Shovel. Dog collar. Dog collar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.